Welcome back, friends. Today, let me share a powerful story from the life of Buddha, a story that teaches us how to stay calm even when the world throws anger at us. This is a story of the angry man and Buddha. One day, as Buddha was walking through a village, a man approached him with a face full of rage. The man shouted, "You are a fraud! A false teacher! You mislead people with your words." The villagers watched in shock. Some thought Buddha would be angry. Others thought he might curse the man. But Buddha simply stood there, calm and silent. The angry man kept shouting insult after insult, but Buddha didn't reply. Finally exhausted, the man asked, "Why don't you say anything? Why don't you fight back?" Buddha looked at him gently and said, "My friend, if someone offers you a gift and you refuse to accept it, to whom does the gift belong?" The man paused. "It belongs to the one who tried to give it." Buddha smiled. "Exactly. And so it is with your anger. I refuse to accept it. Therefore, it remains with you." The man was speechless. His anger melted away into shame. Instead of arguing further, he bowed his head and quietly walked away. This story reminds us of something powerful. Anger is like a gift. If you don't accept it, it doesn't belong to you. People may insult you, mock you, or try to drag you into negativity. But if you stay calm, their anger stays with them, not you. True strength is not in shouting louder, but in mastering your own mind. So next time someone throws anger at you, remember Buddha's words. Don't accept it. Let it stay with them while you protect your peace. Thank you for watching. This is NH Chronicles, where stories guide your life. Subscribe for more wisdom and inspiration.